Alright everybody, welcome to the channel. Look what we got here today. Just came in. New Instapot Duo Crisp and air fryer. Getting ready to unbox this. See what all's in it. Maybe even test it out later tonight and cook something. Don't know yet, but let's start by getting this top open up here. Just use a knife. Hopefully I got enough room here on the table I can do this or not. So, let's see what all we got here. Let me move this over this direction so we can pull this stuff out as we go. Alright. First thing's our instruction manual. This here, this will be part of the air fryer. You can sit it in the air fryer thing to lift it up, have an extra little shelf inside of it. And let's see, in here, this is so you can set your air fryer on the top of it after you've used it so it doesn't burn your counter or anything. But also, you can flip it over and it locks in, lets you store your air fryer lid on the top of it. And we got our trivet here to go into the bottom of the Instapot. Keep things held up off the bottom so it doesn't get burnt. Set these things over this direction. I think we're getting ready to get into the big stuff here. Alrighty, let's see what we're going to get out of here first. There we go. I think this should be the air fryer lid. Yes, there we are. Air fryer lid, got a nice little handle on it here. Like I was saying, if you're using it, you can set this on your counter, set that on it so it doesn't burn your counter, or you can turn it over and somehow this fits onto here. Not sure yet, haven't used it. I'll get that figured out later. Let's get that set over here to the side. Now for the big portion. Oh, big heavy boy. This is the 8 quart. Ooh. Go ahead and get this box out of the way. Go, brand new Instapot, cord. Of course, you can open it up. Got some directions, but a few other things on the inside. First, let's see. This should be the air fryer. Oh, gotta take the bottom off of it first. Get that off. So, there's your air fryer. And the base you'll use to sit it on when you're air frying something. Like I said, you got this little extra piece here. You can just set down right on the inside of it. So if you don't want it all the way at the bottom. So, we'll set that over here. And then we got the main pot itself here. As I said, this is the 8 quart one. So we can cook some pretty good meals. Now we'll get that put in. Let's get this cleaned up a little bit and we'll get it burnt, or not burnt off, but preheated up and cleaned up on the inside with some water. So we'll be right back. Okay, we've got it all wiped down good. Got it plugged in. Got 3 cups of water here per the directions of the Instapot. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in there. Get the inside good and cleaned up. Now we'll get the lid put onto it here. Okay. And by the directions, it says put it on pressure cook. And we want to set it for 5 minutes. And then we'll hit the start button. We're going to let that finish this process, and we'll be back and check it out as soon as it's done. All right, it's been 5 minutes, counting down. We're going to just go ahead and release the steam out of here. Wait to see the little metal bar drop down. All right, it's dropped down so the pressure's all relieved. So now we can open it up, let the water drip off, set it on the side. There we go. We've got it prepped for the first use. Probably get ready to cook something on it tonight. So hope you guys enjoyed watching, seeing the unboxing. If you can, go down there and click the subscribe button, and we'll see you folks on the next one.